How to fix Samsung monitor no sound. I'm going to tell you how to fix a Samsung monitor with no sound step by step. First, check if your monitor actually has built-in speakers, since some Samsung models don't. If it does, make sure you're using an HDMI or DisplayPort cable because regular VGA or DVI won't carry sound. Next, go to your computer's sound settings and set your Samsung monitor as the default playback device. If there's still no sound, open the monitor's on screen menu and check that the volume isn't muted or too low. You should also double check Windows or Mac system volume levels. Still not working? Try another HDMI cable or a different port on your graphics card. And lastly, update your audio and graphics drivers since outdated software can cause issues. If none of these work, it may be a monitor hardware issue that needs repair.